Well, it's about fear, you know. It's about trying to pretend to the people that there is no alternative, that there is only one direction, one way out of this mess, that there's only one road that we can travel down. And if you convince people that, then they'll always vote the same way. So the idea that there is a party such as Sinn Féin that are committed to left-wing politics, a different type of direction in terms of our economic vision, scares the bejaysus out of some of them that are that have had it very comfortable in the last while, and those people that enjoy the status quo, those people that benefit from the status quo. And it's an ideological battle. Like, that's, I would expect that, you know, if we didn't hear the type of the resistance to what we're doing, then we would probably have to ask ourselves, are we doing the right thing? You know, and the stronger you get, the more likely you are to be in a position of influence, the stronger that opposition will be.
The phrases like that bother you?
No, not at all.